guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshni. So आज के वीडियो के लिए I am having the worst headache of my life. इतना दर्द. But we'll continue with the videos. मैं starting से ही बोल रही हूँ. I'm really sorry if you hear all the dogs barking. Can't do anything about it. ये मेरे हर वीडियो में होता है and I'm really sorry. But anyways, for today's video, I'm going to share a quick जनपद हॉल विथ यू गाइज. इट्स बिन रियली लॉन्ग कि मैंने एक जनपद हॉल किया हो अपने चैनल पे एंड यू गाइज लव वॉचिंग हॉल्स. मी टू. एंड आई गॉट दिस स्टफ हाफ ऑफ देम बिफोर लॉकडाउन एंड अभी दिल्ली में लॉकडाउन खुल चुका है. सो बिफोर 2 to 3 days आई वेंट टू CP, that is Connaught Place, for some work and by the side I saw जनपद खुला था तो मैं वहाँ से कुछ इयररिंग्स उठा के ले आई. नॉट दैट आई शॉप्ड अ लॉट बट क्विकली वाइल रिटर्निंग जब सारे दुकान बंद हो रहे थे बाय 8 o'clock आई वॉज रियली लाइक वेरी क्विक एंड आई गॉट few earrings. So I'll show all of these in this haul. It's not going to be a long one but I'll try to stretch it because of YouTube. What? Commitments? So yeah, ज़्यादा देर ना करते हुए चलते हैं सीधा इस वीडियो की तरफ. So we'll start up with one of my favorite kurti, and I love Indian wear or something that is really flowy, and that is anything that is kurti, anything Indian. What am I saying? Anyway, so this one is the first kurti that I got from there and this costed me for like rupees 200, which is not bad. Janpad is slightly pricey than Sarojini, so it's like Lajpat, but Lajpat se thoda sa kam. Lajpat is like the queen of priciness of all this stuff. So yeah, I got this one is a cotton kurti and आगे में ऐसा बटन डिटेलिंग दे रखा है. इट्स रियली क्यूट एंड द कलर इज़ रियली नाइस. आपको इसमें बहुत सारे कलर्स मिल जाते हैं बट या दिस इज़ अ सेमी मिड लेंथ कुर्ती, नॉट अ रियली लॉन्ग वन which is why I like it and it is very comfortable to wear in like easy breezy. You can style it in your own way and you're ready to rock and roll. सारे कुत्तों को डॉग्स को आज ही भौंकना है, आज ही. हर रोज़ दे आर क्वाइट बट मैं जब भी फिल्म करने बैठती हूँ दीज पीपल हैव टू फाइट अमॉन्ग देम. एनीवे द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ अ ब्लैक बेसिक LBD if we say so and this one was for rupees 50. Why? Anyway, इसमें एक बटन नहीं है which I can simply attach and rest इसमें और कोई भी defect नहीं है which is a great thing. I can wear it under many sheer dresses जो normal sheer dresses होते हैं. It will look really cool and I really like it with the length. It fits me really nicely, कहीं से loose नहीं है. It's a very flowy material kind of thing which I really like. So yeah, this one was the second one. Also yeah, of course I'm showing you try on, तो इसमें कुछ कंफ्यूज होने का चीज़ ही नहीं है. Next one that I have is the best purchase. It is a long gown. Should I say a maxi dress? But ये मेरे पे कुछ ज़्यादा ही लंबा है and it is sleeveless. I am not a sleeveless person. मुझे नहीं पसंद अपने डोले दिखाना. I am very conservative about my shoulders and my hands and everything, but yeah, so this one is the one. ये काफ़ी लंबा है and again if I chop it नीचे से obviously I'll give it to a tailor and जो भी नीचे से material बचेगा I'll ask him to put it on this as a sleeve. But yeah, this is like this. आगे से ऐसे deep cut है, so obviously I have to wear something inside this and again this has a band in it which cinches into my waist perfectly, giving me a good figure. Rest, the print is really pretty and I love the color. Totally summery vibes. I really like this. So यही थे वो 3 dresses that I got from Janpad. Next, सारे ज्वेलरी हैं. यू गाइज आर वेरी क्यूरियस फ्रॉम वेयर डू आई गेट माई ज्वेलरीज फ्रॉम. इट इज़ जनपद एंड सरोजनी भर के. बट आई लव जनपद बिकॉज वहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा सिल्वर ज्वेलरी के वैरायटी मिलता है. मी आई लव सिल्वर ज्वेलरी दो आई एम वेयरिंग दिस बट एनीवे या You get me, right? So yeah, let's move on to that one. The first one that I have is in this packet. Now this one I got from those uncles जो you know 50 rupees में बेच रहे होते हैं सारे ठेले में, not from the shop, but obviously I didn't get this for 50 rupees, it was for 100 bucks. And look at this, it is so pretty and the quality is really nice for 100 rupees. I guess this is not really bad, it was worth buying it. And the chain is also of really good quality. I'm sorry mic के पास लेके I'm telling it, but yeah, this one was one of my favorite. I have a lot of like this, but उसमें भी काफ़ी you know layer से रहते हैं, but this one is a single piece which I really love. One thing that I really love staying here at Delhi is that I don't have to pay the double the amount for jewelry or clothes that are available on Instagram. The same thing will be available for 300-400 and I get it for 150. That is a bonus point for me, which I'm very proud of, and I will show it off. I don't care, but yeah, anyway. So this one is the next one. This one I got it for like 200 rupees. I really bargained. भैया 400 का बोल रहे थे, but I was like no, I'll give it for like 200 itself. I left the dukaan, but he called me back and he was like you can take it. So this one is so pretty. Look at all this detailing in it, like it's a mixture of pink, orange and silver. This looks really pretty and this one is in this form. I guess ऐसा कुछ मेरे पास नहीं है. Also look at this detailing right here. It's like a little Ganesha is there and then this peacocks around him. This one looks really sundar. This will look so pretty with black dress, a kurti and whatnot. I really love this piece, and my favorite part is these little jhumkas that you can hear, I guess, apart from the dogs barking. But anyways, yeah, next one is a choker neck piece, and look at this beauty. While I was buying this, I didn't realize that it had matching earrings with it, so which is a, again win-win situation. And this one I got it for 250. Obviously वो 200 में नहीं मान रहे थे, so I got this for 250. Look at the design, I so love it. And the झुमकास, you can hear it. मैं उसको माइक के पास बहुत पास लेके गई हूँ ताकि you can hear it. And I really like this piece. It looks so pretty and so royal. This gives me that secondary, you know, what do we say, first copy of Aishwarya Rai if I want to be in silver jewelry for that song कहने को जश्न बहारा है. So that would be the one for me. I got bunch of earrings just for 50 rupees. Imagine this huge earrings for 50 rupees. I'll show you one by one. मैंने सारा पैकेट से निकाल लिया है so that it will be easy for me to show you guys. So this one is the first one with mirror work, and look at this gorgeous thing. I love mirror works, and mirror works goes with everything, even if with Indian or Western, whatever kind of dresses you're wearing. And this one is quite heavy, and getting this for like rupees 50 bucks is a steal. So basically Bhubaneswar में there's a place called Janpat, and Delhi has a Janpat. So when I posted this story, people were like, where did you get it from? I said Janpat. They're like, Janpat pe kahan pe? I'm like, wait a second, not Bhubaneswar, it is from Delhi. Now you guys know I love circle and I love hoops. So Indian jewelry and hoops, what a great mixture. So this one is the next one that I got it from there. Now इसमें बहुत सारे colors थे, but I picked up the black one because this will go with everything and it will look really pretty with every sorts of dresses. Again इसके ऊपर दो झुमके दे रखे हैं, and it's a very flat kind of earring, like and also इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा weight भी नहीं है, which is a plus point. That's why I really love it. This one is the next one. Now look at the detailing on this. So gorgeous and so pretty. ऊपर की तरफ इट हैज़ स्मॉल पीकॉक्स जिसके एक्चुअली यू नो यू लुक एट इट ऐसे फेस निकले बने हैं, एंड नीचे इट्स लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ work. The next one I have is similar to the previous one design wise, but iska color and the pattern is different. I got this one in green. I don't have anything in green, I guess but I don't know, I don't really remember. So yeah, this one is the next one. Just look at the detailing, it looks super pretty and it is super lightweight. And again, this one was for rupees 500, oh god, rupees 50, I'm so sorry. And yeah, so this one is the next one. This is, I guess isko chand balis kehte hain, I don't really remember, but look, it looks so gorgeous. The next one that I have is another kundan kari types, can we say so? Kundan kari, yeah. So this one is the next one. It looks so royal and so nice. I wish iska matching choker set hota, it would have looked so pretty. I love this. The quality is really nice. This one is based in goldenish thing with the work of kundan and everything. So this one is the last one with this baby pink tassel earrings. इसके बहुत सारे कलर्स आपको मिल जाते हैं, ब्लैक एंड पिंक एंड रेड एंड एवरीथिंग, बट बेबी पिंक आई गेस आई डेंट हैव एनीथिंग बेबी पिंक. ऐसे देखो तो मेरे पास बहुत सारे कलर्स थे भी, खो भी गए हैं. सो या, दिस वन इज़ अगेन वेरी लाइट वेट एंड लुक्स really pretty, which I really love about this. So if you see that way, it was like 6 pieces in total 300 rupees, which is not bad because ऐसे एक earring को you will pay 200-300 on Instagram stores. Obviously there are some pieces that are not available outside and I do purchase myself. So I'll make another video wherein I'll suggest you guys some affordable Instagram pages from where I love to shop. If you want to see that video, do let me know. I'll record it soon and I'll post it for you guys so that you can check them out if you're not from Delhi or you don't stay nearby Delhi, and if you cannot travel to Delhi. But yeah, I really enjoyed making this video and I hope you did as well. If you want to see more of these haul videos or any of my collection like shoes or jewelry or anything, I would love to make it for you guys. Really hope you enjoyed this quick haul and I'll see you next time. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल करना ना भूलें. हाँ, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. एंड आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वन. बाय.